Welcome to Prime Tech, specialized in explaining modern cars technologies from Auto Prime. In this video, we'll explain the features of the new Mercedes E200 infotainment system. This is the home screen, can be controlled from this touch-sensitive button to swipe between options and click for enter, sat-nav and its options, radio screen and radio options, media to select input source, phone menu to connect with the Bluetooth phone, and it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. In Car Office menu, it supports Office 365 and Gmail to follow up with your work on the way, where you can add work tasks, schedule calls, add meetings on calendar and other activities. Connect to Mercedes. Vehicle settings, where you can adjust the ambient lights and choose from 64 colorful combinations. Change the brightness and other cabin lighting customizations. Vehicle settings to activate different options. System settings to adjust language, units, personalization, and to check for system updates. Dynamic swivel to select the driving mode that controls the response of engine, transmission, steering, and traction. Eco mode, comfort, sport, Sport Plus, and an individual driver's own setup. On the left to control driver's screen. Here is radio, and to select between station presets. Changing display, digital design, sport, classic and progressive. Trip computer to monitor fuel consumption and others. Assistance as a front anti-collision brake and active cruise control. Service menu shows fault messages, tire pressure monitoring and others. Sat-nav shows destinations guide. Thank you indeed for watching. Support us by subscribing and hitting the like button.